Hey editor, this one's a bit more personal. Before I was a top 1% editor or whatever you want to call it, I was a broke fitness YouTuber binging on Costco muffins and dodging student loan emails. After being practically invisible throughout school, I needed to feel seen, which led me to pursuing posting fitness videos on YouTube. I wanted recognition, but not pressure. It didn't work out like that, by the way. One morning, I checked my phone to see Greg Doucette, a massive fitness creator, made multiple videos about me. I blew up overnight. I went from a couple hundred views to 20,000 views per video. One even hit 230K. Now, you would have thought this was the best moment of my life, but it was the worst. The constant need to perform sent my mental health into shambles. I stopped uploading, I started binge eating, and to top it all off, a hater leaked my family's address. And I remember finally one day I was staring at my computer screen, one tab showed 40,000 subscribers, and the second tab showed my last $1,000 in the bank, and the third tab showed my $40,000 in student loan debt. And I remember thinking, I can't do this anymore. I realized I didn't actually want this life. I wanted to express myself through a skill that has high income potential, is seen and appreciated by many, grants me time and creative freedom. And boom, that's when it hit me. The answer was literally right in front of my face this whole time. Editing. I could still tell stories, still be creative, but the pressure wasn't on me to be in front of the camera. Now, funny enough, I ended up getting back in front of the camera because it turns out I kind of like it, but I got my first client thinking it's all up from here, and a couple of months later, I'm on the brink of giving up. I was juggling 3 clients. The nonstop editing and stress gave me vomit-inducing migraines. This workload was too much to handle, but I didn't know how to charge more so I could work less. Man, I remember thinking, do I learn more effects, buy more plugins, include a gift basket with every edit? That's when I finally learned it's not merely editing videos, it's about creating value. That's how I went from $200 per edit to $6,000 a month retainers. And all it took to create edits worth thousands of dollars was one simple shift. But we'll save that for the next one. For now, I want you to know this. You're not just an editor. You're a storyteller, a strategist, a growth lever. And when you finally learned how to position yourself like that, everything changes. Now, in the next one, I'm going to reveal the 7 principles that 10x'd my income as an editor. So be on the lookout. Y'all have a good one.